How to remove WhatsApp group voice chat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your group chat. Then click on three dots on top right corner of your screen in your group chat. After you click on three dots, you'll find all the options. There's no option to remove. If you even click on more, there's no option to remove voice chat. So what you can do is click on three dots again and then click on mute notifications. After that, select always and then press on OK. After you do this, there's no voice chat from WhatsApp from this group, but also it means the notification of messages will be removed. You can also go back, hold on to WhatsApp, click on app info, and then click on advanced at the bottom. Scroll down and you'll find version. You can also find APK versions of earlier where there was no voice chat and download it. Also, it is not recommended because there may be viruses. And this is how to remove WhatsApp group voice chat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.